सगळ्या मरे मिलिंद नायक
ना एकटोच येतो ते येईनच.
लाइट ऑन कर. Lack of oxygen. This is the biggest achievement with the district hospital.
आणि आज बरो दिसूय आहात सगळ्या शुभेच्छा दितात त्या दिसाची. सकाळीसून आम्ही इनॉग्रेशना करीत आसा. सकाळी PMचे ते जो कार्यक्रम जालो wherein he wants to combine the synergy in the entire country of logistics and logistical support for various facilities that are available for industry, for building infrastructure. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी पळयलां आसतलें. सो हांव तेजेर मायज हें करिना. तेन्नाच आमी आमचो इंटग्रेटेड रोड डेवलपमेंट बैंक प्रोजेक्ट we also I have launched today. What I have launched हितून कितें तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करता. हें लॉन्च करप म्हणल्यार जे एक्सिडेंट जाता आख्खे गोंयान ते समते फीड जातले विथ ऑल द डेटा. खंयचे कडेन एक्सिडेंट जाला, कित्या लागून जाला, कसली व्हेहिकल, कितली कंडेम जाली, विथ फोटोग्राफ्स प्रूफ. खंयचे वॉट आर द कंडिशन ऑफ द रोड, पॉट होला लागून जाला काय कर्व आहा थिंगा रोड ते कर्वेचर ती सारकी करपा जाय. हें सगळें ते डेटाचेर येतले आणि everything will go to different sections automatically as per what we have launched. Like suppose there is a engineering problem, थिंगा टर्न सारक्या करपा जाय, the engineering department will send it for rectification to PWD. थिंगा रोड ते कर्व सारके ना ते improve कर. Just one example I am giving. Second thing, RTOचे भायर सगळ्यांनी पळयला सद्दां एजंट कशे आसतले ऑफरिंग सर्विसेस. विलेज लेवल VLD, विलेज लेवल entrepreneurs, village level entrepreneurs म्हणून VLE आम्ही तयार केला. We are officially recognizing them because in any case they do it. They know how to fill the form. They know how to assist the people. Officially they will be allowed to charge 100 rupees per person, which is no charge to the government. Public they are charging. Actually they are charging much more, but this has been official. बाकीचे कोण दितात ते तांकां तेंचे भितर कोण सर्विसीस जाय तेंचे भितर 10 जाण आयले they earn how much? 1,000 rupees per day. And there are 1,000 on an average 1,500 services being offered all over Goa, and that many people are there. So it's like an employment to the young people, studied people. So this is what we have done from today. We have launched this and integrated with a central platform from Delhi under MOT. Okay. आज ऑक्सिजन प्लांट जे हांवें प्रॉमिस केल्ले आज आमी हांगा उदकावण केल्ले आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मोमेंट फॉर पीपल ऑफ मुर्मुगांव तालुका, पर्टिक्युलरली फॉर पीपल ऑफ चिकालीम. सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल चिकालीम इज equipped today with oxygen. If there is emergency, कोविड टायमाक कितें जालां ऑक्सिजना लागून इतली पब्लिसिटी जाली की लोक मेले. हिंगा एज इट इज led by Dr. Anil Umraskar and his entire team of doctors, nurses, other staff, they saved the people. They did an excellent job. I want to keep on record. Along with that, we kept on adding under CSR various equipment which was lacking. This particular oxygen plant under PM Care amka allocate zale. Among only 5 places in Goa, this PSA plant is coming up. Ani PSA plant, once it comes up, that means at least 10 beds have the facility to get connected and get oxygen. Rest of it also, we will be completing the process of having about 60 beds which will have this facility for the patient. Ultimately, it's going to move to 100 patients. So 100 patients, whatever the sickness, if they need oxygen, they will be able to get oxygen mask. Over and above that, if by mistake that plant, PSA plant, there is a failure, automatically it links to the cylinders. So these are, you have seen the cylinders here, the old system, they screw it and tighten it, remove it, the technology. But inga connected asle, tinga kite tari problem zala zala, inga connect jatle. So this is the level of means the facility which has been made available आमचे हिंगा चिखले हॉस्पिटलान. आनी म्हाका दिसता हें सगळें करून वी आर अ व्हेरी गुड हॉस्पिटल. एक आयसोर कसो आसलो, फुडल्यान बिल्डींग आसली ती हांव कितलेच वर्सां मागतालो डेमोलिश कर म्हण. हांवें पयर एक दीस वचोन म्हाका आतां जाय, आतांच्या आतां ऑर्डर दी, तेणी खरें दिली. आनी टुडे यू सी the hospital, you can see from the road. Such a lovely structure what we have built could not be seen from the road. Today it can be seen. A bare hospital आम्ही बांधला म्हणून. So these are the type of facilities we have created in the sub-district hospital at Chikalim. There is lots more to be done. That also in stages आम्ही करीत रावतले. आज म्हाका खुशी भोगता की oxygen, which is actually a requirement of life, आमकां ते फुकट मेळटा म्हणून आमकां वालोर कोणना. जेन्ना आमी फुगार जावपाक लागले, पॅन्डेमीक आयलो, आमकां वालोर कळलो. आज हे प्लांट हांगा इन्स्टॉल जाता. इट इज अ हिस्टोरीक मोमेंट फॉर द हॉस्पिटल, हिस्टोरीक मोमेंट फॉर ऑल द पीपल वर्किंग हियर, बिकॉज I feel proud that they have been given more and more facilities to serve the public, because they have been straining to the best of their ability, and they have achieved it. My only appeal to, I am making a public appeal now. Every time I am making personal appeal to Chief Minister and Health Minister. There are some MTS staff, there are some drivers, nurses. आज order dita, फाल्या order dita, अजूनही order dina. I have to go public now. I am appealing to them in the name of the people of Mormugao Taluka, the additional staff which is necessary, which is working, which I am paying from my pocket. That has to, they have to be confirmed. Otherwise they will lay them off after some time. Then again the full services will collapse. So this thing has to be done. My appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister, please see that Human Resources Department issues these orders, as well as the Health Department issues orders about the nurses who are qualified. Ekूच appeal asa. म्हाका दिसता this hospital will be very good. And now this is, as I said, the third important function which I have undertaken today. Fourth one, as you know, I will be going to the airport, handing over the counter, so I will be going there. Once again, through you, I want to thank the doctors here, the nurses here. And
to rush all the way to other hospitals.
see, operation theatre needs operation staff.
Exactly.
Which means more doctors, surgeon, anesthesia doctor, and the related equipment. Equipment I can perhaps request some people and get tomorrow. But the recruitment process is taking time. That's why I chose to make a public appeal to Honorable Chief Minister. These things you cannot deny the people that you have to give it immediately. So therefore, we need this operational theatre also to be operational as soon as possible. And I will see that it happens. And you are aware that they wanted to at one time privatize it. I said no. No means no. And we gave additional bed, additional equipment. Now the question of privatization is dead. So we want a good government hospital with all facilities.
So it takes 3 years for the government to approve staff to the Chikalim Sub-District Hospital for the operation theatre. In fact, the equipments were made available under CSR recently. Now government cannot even give them the required